Alright, welcome to Big Pulls Down Under, and we're back at it again with another Footy Stars 2022 Prestige, chasing that ultimate virtuoso signature. I know it's near impossible to get one, but I'm going to keep trying. I really want to get one of those. I've had the virtuoso, so yeah, and I really want the Brownlow Predictor Platinum. That'd be a pretty sweet pull. So without further ado, let's just get straight on into it. Alright, here we go. Pack number one. Let's skip it. Wish me luck. Hopefully we can sort the light out a bit better today. Alright, we got Brody Grundy, Dion Prestia, we got Jack Steele, we got Adam Sard, and our first insert is Brandon Ellis. Very nice. Let's see what number we got on this. 318. Whew, big number. Alright, we won't go through the rest of the base. Oh, we got Nat 5. We got Josh Dacos. We have got Hopper, Jacob Hopper. And we've got Sebros, and our insert is orange, Riley O'Brien. Very nice. Let's see, what number have we got on this one? 200. Oof. Nice high number. Oh, we want to keep those numbers low. Okie dokie. We have got Nick Voloston, we have Harris Andrews, Caleb Sarong, and we got a blue. Very nice. Rory Sloan in the blue. Shame he's not playing at the moment. Very nice. Alright, what's the number on that one? 101. So we're getting quite high numbers this time. We've had a pretty good run with the prestige numbers so far. I suppose I'm due for a bit of high. Whoa, a tough one. Alright, what do we got here? Jack Rewalt, Tim English, we've got Hugh McCluggage, and ooh, we've got a green, and it's an eagle. That's the second time I've got a green eagle. Come on, give me a Collingwood. Jeremy McGovern. Alright, what number is that? Number 19. Oh, one off the jersey number. Oh, that was close. That would have made up for it if it was jersey numbered. Because you're pretty sure you only get one green per box. I'm kind of hoping to get a Collingwood player in the green. Jersey number would be nice. Alright, we've got Jack Gunston. We've got Zach Williams, Stephen Canelio, we've got a Jamie Elliott, and we have a game breaker, Orazio Fantasia. Very nice. And the number on that one is 199, so the streak of high numbers continues. Okay, Dusty Martin, very nice. Paddy Ryder. Why are we going blurry again? I reckon it's the reflection off this card is messing with the focus. James Aish, and then we got a milestone, 150 game milestone, Liam Jones, very nice. Let's see what number that is. Number 30. Cool, that's a nice low number. Very good. Alright, what do we got? Come on. Where's this signature redemption? Oh, we got the Bont. We got Bradley Hill, Shane Edwards, Sam Doherty, and we have pink Ben Keys, and that is number 60. Okay, we got Jagger O'Meara, we got Josh Kelly, Scott Pendlebury, and we have Dan Butler in the Game Breaker. Very cool. Alright, what number we got on that? 353. Another high number. Alright. Oh, God. Sometimes they're so freaking hard to open. Alright, yeah. Footy checklist. Waste of time. Luke Bruce. Tom Liberatore. Jacob Wiedering. And we have a Nat 5 in the pink. Very nice. It'd be nice to get a jersey number of Fifey. Number 70, unfortunately, no. Oh, we haven't had any big hits yet. So I'm a bit sad. Mitch Robinson, Jack Crisp, Tom Lynch. Oh, there we go. Brownlow Leader, Cam Guthrie. Look at that. That's actually quite a nice card. 18 votes he polled. Pretty good season. Very good season, actually. 18 votes. Alright, what's the number on the back? Number 39 out of 80. So I don't know what number he wears, but that's nice. That is a nice card. That deserves to be set out the back there. Alright, so we're just talking about needing a hit to liven up the box. We got one, and then we've got a Game Breaker. Who we got here? Isaac Rankin. Very good. What number we got on him? 29. Nice and low. Very good. You love to see it. Okay. Next up. Come on, let's keep the hits rolling. How about a Brownlow Predictor? That would be nice. Okay, we got Nathan Wilson. We have got Zach Bailey. We have got Zach Jones. We've got Shai Bolton. And in the orange we've got Charlie Cameron. Very nice. What's the number? 47. Reasonable. Reasonable. It's under 50 it's pretty good, really. I reckon. Now, come on. I want that predictor. We got Norton. We got Jack Martin. We've got Nick Haynes. And we've got Jake Oliva in the pink. Very nice. Come on, what's the number? Ooh, 196. Bit high. Bit high. Alright, come on. How about a Darcy Moore Virtuoso jersey number? That'd be nice. Oh, Jack Martin again. And Nick Haynes again. We've got Maynard. And we've got James Warple. And we've got Tom Papley in the Game Breaker. Very nice. It's a nice. The Sydney Swan looks nice, actually. What number we got? Oh my lord, 694. It could be the highest card I've had so far in Prestige. I mean, you got to remember that you're only getting one insert, but every insert is numbered, which makes them desirable for collecting and more valuable because of the short print. So that's why I quite like it, because it is a short print product. Alright, we've got Jack McRae, Tom Mitchell, Toby Green, and we have a blue, Liam Ryan. Very nice. That blue goes well with the Eagles jersey. Number 94. A bit high for my liking. Alright, we're pushing through. We're pushing through. Okay. We've got Big Max King. We have got Luke Ryan. We've got Daniel Rich. We've got Patrick Cripps, and it looks like we've got another pink, yep. And another Eagles. It's a real Eagles box, this one. Andrew Gaff in the pink. So we've had green, blue, pink for the Eagles. Number 18. Wow, nice and low number, that one. Very nice. Alright, but enough of this. Come on. Sneak me in a green or a predictor. Virtuoso. Redemption. Something big. Come on. Alright, Adam Trelaw. Liam Shield. Darcy Moore. And we've got a milestone. I don't really like these because they didn't really change it up. Ed Langdon. What's the number? 168. All they did was print a number on those. They didn't add any holographic colouring to it, so they're a bit meh, them cards, in my opinion. Even though they're a shorter print than the Game Breaker, I like the Game Breaker more because they put more effort into making it look better. So, anyway, Cullen Ward, Michael Walters, we've got Jared Lyons, we've got Sam Walsh, and we've got Daniel McStay Game Breaker. See, look how nice that makes that look. And it's not even as short a print as the milestone. 428, but they look so damn nice. Alright, we're down to our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Can we find something other than just your regular coloured parallel? Or a coloured parallel that's a jersey number. That would make up some ground, I reckon. Alright, we've got Rowan Marshall. We have got Charlie Cameron. We have got Trent Cotchin. And we've got another pink, Caleb Daniel. And that is number 321, bit high. Still, I really like this product, the Prestige product, so I'm going to keep plugging away. I know it doesn't get the most views, but my channel's not just, isn't about, you know, the views, it's about opening products that everybody likes to look at, so there is people that like to see this stuff, so I'll keep doing it. David Amundi, Bailey Smith, the old headbutt man, Tom Green, Harry McKay, and we've got an orange, Cameron Zerha, very nice, not what we want, but it's very nice. 24 is the number. Ooh, his number's 44. Not quite there. Alright, we're getting through it real quick. Oh, come on. Come on. Give me the big... Oh, we got Chad Wingard. Steel side bottom. We got Jack Graham, and we have another Game Breaker. It's the Gambler himself, Jaden Stevenson. Oh, the North Melbourne Game Breaker looks sweet as. Look at that blue on it. That looks nice as, man. Really nice. Alright, what's the number? 643. Damn. Alright, final 3 packets. Come on. It's been a bit of a lean box. The Cam Guthrie one's a really nice card. So is McGovern. Okay. We've got Tim Membry, Andrew Brayshaw, Lockie Whitfield, Jack Sawani, and another orange in the Jake Lever variety. Very nice. What's the number on this? 81. Another high one. It's been a bit of a high number box, this one. Alright, second last pack. Obviously no Virtuoso Signature Redemption in this. Okay, Will Day, Caleb Daniel, we have Dean Zorka. Oh yeah! Now we're frickin' cooking. How about that? It's me boy, Scott Pendlebury Midnight Classified. That is a ripper. Ooh, please be a number 10 on the back of this. Here we go. Oh, number 25. Spewing. Still, that's a nice low number. Woo-wee! Look at that. There you go. You can go lean next to Mr. Pendlebury himself over there. Woof. What a pickup. You're not guaranteed one of them per box, so that's nice. I've hit one in every box I've opened, but I'm pretty sure you're not guaranteed a classified. But to get me boy Pendles. Oh, yes. Alright, last pack mojo. Here we go. That is a sweet card. There's only 60 of them available per player, so it's not easy to get your favourite players. Sean Darcy, Jack Billings, still chasing Cardcraft number 3 out there, people. Taylor Adams, Tim Taranto, and we have a Game Breaker. Brian Myers for the Geelong Cats, and there we have it. What's the number on that puppy? 473, so it's been a high box. Alright, wow, that Scott Pendlebury one really lifted me up, actually. Let's do a quick recap. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with that. That Pendlebury saved it for me, but it's just such a nice product. I would have been happy anyway. The Cam Guthrie, even though I'm not a Geelong fan, was a really nice pickup. These cards are beautiful. I absolutely love them. Liam Ryan, good player. So we've got Dan Butler. Wow, I really sorted these out well, didn't I? You know, Isaac Rankin, that's another good pickup. The Sydney Swan one looks magnificent. Tom Papley, what a player he is. Okay. Then we've got Daniel McStay for the Bears. Wow, the Lions. Jaden Stevenson. You got to know when to hold him. Mr. Gambler himself. Then we've got Brian Myers. I always thought his name was Ryan. Very nice. The Geelong one looks nice too, actually. Then we got the milestone. We got Ed Langdon, 100 game milestone. And then we've got Liam Jones. Okay, I need to get my new glasses, I think, in the milestone. Then we're going to hit these beautiful parrot. I love these, man. Look at the pop on them. Rory Sloane. Look at that. That's just crazy. Then we've got Liam Ryan again. Such a good player. In the blue, and then we've got in the orange, we've got Riley O'Brien. Get that colour out there. And then we've got Charlie Cameron. We've got Zerha, Jake Oliva, Brandon Ellis in the pink, Ben Keys, Nat Fife, Jake Oliva, Andrew Gaff, Caleb Daniel. In the green, we've got Jeremy McGovern. He's a good player. Number 19, one off his jersey number, unbelievable. And then we've got this bad boy. This is a really, these cards are so crisp. Look at that. The design is very good. They should be pretty happy with that. I really like that design. That is, just looks like a high quality collectible card. Really good. And what was the number on that? 39. I don't know what Cam Guthrie's number is, but number 39. And then we got this. This here is a monster, particularly for me because it's my PC collection. But Pendles is a legend of the game. Just went past 9,000 disposals, 4th player to do it. You know, so this would fetch a good dollar if I was to sell it, which I wouldn't. But yeah, this is a good card. Very, very nice. So yeah, so that's Prestige box break number 4, done and dusted. If you enjoyed that, leave the video a like. If you're new around here, please subscribe to the channel, really helps out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for watching.